Одну.
Take a look, this is a white tower and this one Candy Tower 3. Very close. And I will walk a little bit and show to you around. Malik, you can see in the front. Germany restaurant. German restaurant. German. They renovate this building, take a look. Renovate. T-Back, sports bar, Angelic Premier Residence. Oh, this is also apartment for rent. I remember Georgi before. Stay here. Studio 15,000 peso. 22 one bedroom, up and down. And two bedroom 25. Georgi said it's okay, good. Swimming pool have. You can watch video also. Another apartment for rent. You can call or scan QR code. Studio have also. And I check Prime City Hotel open or not, because it's already long time under renovation. Now we're in the back side of Ambassador. This is back side of Ambassador. Main entrance, another side. I already filming in Ambassador also. If you go straight, it's a main gate, main entrance. Apartment for rent. Travelers Inn. Look good, quiet, not noisy here. New. Prime City Hotel, still closed. Right side you can see already Tiger Hotel. If you go straight, Tiger Hotel. Guys, I not recommended walk at night here. This is Road at night don't have light. Even have CCTV camera, I don't know working or not, but nighttime better not walking here nighttime. And you need to know, nighttime better take tricycle, you will be more safety. Garden View Hotel red doors also closed because now don't have tourists. Even available right now studio in Kandy. Usually this time before not available already. American Legion post 123 American Legion. My friend said many people stay here. They don't want to go to the walking street because walking street noisy and here cheaper and they can sit safety. Usually most of European tourists stay here in this area. They sit in the bar. Also Cheeky Monkey also popular. Usually in Cheeky Monkey many my friends also stay here. Hi. Hello.
Daddy, your daddy, right?
Yes. Thai restaurant. Every Tuesday close. So today close. And this is Albasio, Italian restaurant. No, thank you. This is Albasio open right now. From 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. open. Inside don't have people, empty. This hotel for sale. Yeah. Close. And bar close. Hotel and restaurant for sale. Take a look. Kona Hotel. Kona Hotel and Bar. Empty. Okay, thank you. Come inside. Very popular. I like sushi cuisine. It's also good. This is already ABC hotel. ABC. I just walk around here. I don't want to go to Fields Avenue today. Just walking and go to my car in Candy apartment, Candy Tower parking. This is popular. Angel's Bakery. But I stop already eat bread, that's why I don't want to buy. Евротел. Monthly rate here 1,000 a day. Limited rooms only. So who want to stay 1 month is cheaper. Don't have traffic today. Even time now, 5 p.m. Karaoke inside. Karaoke. Guys, comment. You can sing song like this or not. If you don't know Tagalog. If don't know Tagalog, just only read. You can or not. Oh, safe popular now. Many people. Okay, I'll use shortcut road. Shortcut road to Candy Palace. Now pay parking inside Evrika. How much interesting parking here? It's also okay. What is, I don't know. I don't know what is in Tagalog. I don't know. Even price, I don't know how much. Okay, I will ask now. Is security. And ask how much price? For example, 1 hour. Because I don't want to drive to Fields Avenue sometimes. Need to ask. Pay parking. 3 hours, 50 peso. But 3 hours, I don't, it's long time. I don't want to stay here. If at 1 hour, 20 peso. 1 day, 150. 1 week, 900 peso. 1 month, 3K. No, it's okay, good price. 3K 1 month. But I don't know, safety here or not. Excuse me, 1 hour, how much? If only 1 hour?
50, sir.
50, same. 1 hour or 3 hours, same price.
Hours.
Okay.
Minimum, sir.
Minimum 50 peso here. Okay. But it's not problem. CCTV also have security. And you always here, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But for example, if I want to park my car for 1 month, you give me some document. I park, for example, 1 month and some like contract, or only pay and park. Or receive, some receive. You give if one month.
Yung ano, yung boss mo, yung makakausap.
Nasa ano lang yun sa
Ah,
payment na, sir. Payment.
Only payment, no any document.
No document, sir.
No document. Just only pay 3,000 peso 1 month and don't have any document. Okay. Thank you for information. Thank you. No, if 1 month, but maybe have problem inside for during months with your car, my car, or no, for long time, no. Better find another place for park. Mr. JJ Residence. It's maybe from restaurant JJ. JJ Residence. Also is here Sparrow Travel and Tours. What is this? Penthouse Condo. Penthouse Condo. Contact number. You can rent, buy. Okay. Penthouse. As you can see, it's already near White Tower. This is White Tower. And from White Tower I will go to the Candy Tower 3. And you can see the road. I already filming here. Here have cheapest room, even now available. So you can book in this room. Oh, but not allowed here. Not allowed to grab car, blue taxi, Maxim, Joyride and Ankas. So cannot, if you stay here, it's not allowed to take grab here from this road. But where can? I don't know. If not allowed near, where allowed? Let's see, this is Candy Palace. This is Candy Palace. This is Candy Towers. Candy Towers 3. And this is White Tower, also Candy. So many buildings. Very popular. And now already Savina Drive. This is parking for visitors or residents also. So you can park car free if you visitor. A little bit drive Fields Avenue and show to you